Teespring. You've heard the name. Maybe you even bought a t-shirt once. But is it still a good way to make money in 2025? The answer is yes, but it's not as simple as it used to be. The game has changed. Competition is fierce. You need to be smart. You need to be strategic, but the opportunity is still there. Teespring lets you sell custom merchandise, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, you name it. You create the design. They handle the rest. Printing, shipping, customer service. It's all taken care of. You make money for every sale. Sounds good, right? It can be. But you need to understand the game. Let's break it down. Teespring has had its ups and downs, early success, some tough times, but now they're back stronger than ever. They realized something important. Focus on the creators. They partnered with influencers, big names, small names, everyone in between. They gave them the tools to build their brands and sell directly to their fans. And it worked. Teespring hit $1 billion in sales. But they didn't stop there. They kept innovating. New products, new features, new ways to sell. They integrated with Twitch, Discord, Streamlabs. Now gamers can sell merch directly to their viewers. Teespring is constantly evolving. That's how they stay ahead of the game. Teespring is more than just a print-on-demand platform. It's a powerful marketing machine. You just need to know how to use it. They have a feature called the Boosted Network. It automatically lists your products on other marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. More exposure, more sales. They also offer retargeting ads. Someone looks at your product but doesn't buy? No problem. Teespring will show them ads for your products on other websites. Keeps your brand top of mind. And let's not forget about email marketing. Teespring can help you build your email list and send out targeted promotions. Teespring gives you the tools. It's up to you to use them. So can you really make money on Teespring in 2025? Absolutely. But it takes work. It takes hustle. It takes understanding your audience. First, find your niche. Who are you selling to? What do they care about? Create designs that resonate with them. Second, market your products. Use social media. Run ads. Get creative. Third, leverage Teespring's tools. Boosted network, retargeting ads, email marketing. Use them all. Finally, be patient. It takes time to build a successful business. Don't give up. Teespring is just a tool. Your success depends on you.